Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you a simple trick to make your bathroom, your sink, and your toilet smell absolutely scrumptious. For some reason my bathroom is having some weird stanky smell. So my first thought was maybe my toilet isn't clean enough. Maybe there's some urine and other things stuck underneath the rim. So I took care of that and the bathroom still had this funny smell. I thought, aha, I know the problem. One, there may be a clog in here, but two, look under here. This is great so that your sink does not overflow, but what often ends up happening is there is a double layer here in the sink and water can lay stagnant in here, thus causing your bathroom to stink. So if you are going crazy thinking it was your toilet, it may be the sink, but this trick I'm going to show you works for both. Get yourself one of these. Obviously you're not going to use this in your toilet, but this is going to help you in the sink. Dollar Tree, my friend, Dollar Tree. I just did this in a previous video, I don't know, a couple months ago, and it was so utterly disgusting. So let's see what we're going to pull out today. Ooh. Not bad. Other side. Oh man, we're doing good. So far so good. I did all 4 of those sections right here. If you want to see what it looked like previously, I'll link that video in the description box below. Get yourself some OxiClean. You could substitute this for just straight up hydrogen peroxide. That works well. But I am obsessed with this scent, the White Revive. You're going to go ahead and put this down here. This is also going to help you clear up your drain if you have any clogs down in there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and do your best to get some down in this hole. And of course, one for you. Get some warm water running. Let it work its way down in that drain. I'll let it sit for just a little bit. Again, working down in here, through that hole. Using one of these cups helps because then you can pinch it. Now it's time for you. This already smells so stinking clean. Haha, stinking clean. There we go. If it's good enough for your laundry, it's good enough for your toilet. And that smells better already. If this little trick does not make your bathroom smell fresh and clean, I would be surprised, my friend. Now, if you do not love the OxiClean idea, you can also do this with hydrogen peroxide, like I mentioned, and baking soda and vinegar. But I do think this tops them all. Click this video on screen now to see some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.